Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys the DIY way that I go in and I clean up my eyebrows throughout the week. So I just go in with a little spoolie and make sure they're all brushed out so I can access all the hairs the way I need to. And then the star of the show is going to be the Nair Bikini Cream. Now, just to be completely transparent, I don't use this Nair on any other parts of my body. Definitely not in my bikini area. But since it is formulated for a sensitive area, it doesn't bother my skin when I use it for my eyebrows. And I do have pretty sensitive skin on my face. So if you're one of those people with sensitive skin, I think this should be okay with you, but I would test a little patch just before you do it all over. So anyways, I go in and I try to shape the Nair in the way that I would want my eyebrows to be arched, if that makes sense. And then I go in and I leave it for about 15 minutes because I find that that kind of like removes all the hair for me. You choose the amount of time that works for you best. And when I'm wiping it, I almost messed up, but I wipe in the opposite direction of the way that the hair grows. And you see that the hair is on the washcloth. I wipe in the opposite direction because I kind of want to make sure that I pull the hair up and out. It doesn't hurt at all because the Nair kind of like, it already loosens up the hair and gets it out. Then I hop in the shower and I wash my face, and this is the end result. It's not perfect, but you can do it at home yourself. And you can stay home and save some coins, sis.